Welcome, bienvenidos a mi casa.
Let's bake some cupcakes.
Come inside, Basa. This is our cupcake recipe.
Get started.
These are the ingredients.
Two medium sweet potatoes,
2 camotes medianos,
cooking spray,
spray para cocinar,
18 marshmallows,
18 bombones,
1.5 cups unbleached all-purpose flour,
1 taza y media de harina para todo uso sin blanquear,
1 teaspoon ground cinnamon,
1 cucharadita de canela molida,
half teaspoon ground ginger,
media cucharadita de jengibre molido,
half teaspoon baking
1
powder,
cucharadita y media de bicarbonato de sodio,
a pinch of cayenne pepper,
1 pizca de pimienta de cayenne,
1 stick unsalted butter,
1 barra de mantequilla sin sal a temperatura,
half cup packed light brown sugar,
media taza de azúcar morena,
half cup granulated sugar,
media taza de azúcar granulada,
2 large eggs,
2 huevos grandes,
1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract,
1 cucharadita de extracto puro de vainilla,
1/4 teaspoon fine salt.
1/4 cucharadita de sal fina. And if you don't have one of these, you can also use an old-fashioned mashed potato.
It's funny how they we're gonna like die right now if we bite it.